Hi folks, welcome to week number 4 in ESAC's geometry. We are finally getting closer and closer to trigonometry, and that's what we're going to visit this Unit H. We won't look at trigonometry this week, but we will look at it next week, so be on the lookout for that. This week, we're going to take a look at several other concepts. So let's see what we're expecting to do in this week in ESAC's geometry. First of all, the introductory video right here that you're watching, then our resource room link and the open forum links. Please use those if you are struggling. They are there for you. Our first instruction this time is on the Pythagorean theorem. You've used the Pythagorean theorem. You probably know the Pythagorean theorem. I could ask you to name it right now and you'd probably say a squared plus b squared equals c squared. You'll learn quickly about what Pythagorean triples are. What about an obtuse triangle versus an acute triangle and a right triangle? How is that different? How is that different? How do we use the Pythagorean theorem to determine what types of triangles those are? That's what's coming up with the first set of instructions. We will have a SWYK, show what you know. SWYK is what that stands for. You'll need to get that completely right, 100%, before you can move into the homework on MathXL. Our second instruction deals with special triangles. You're going to want to pay special attention to this. This is really a time saver, and it's really important. We're going to look at something called a 45-45-90 triangle and also a 30-60-90 triangle. They have special properties. You'll be able to figure out lengths of the sides of triangles based on knowing if they're a 45-45-90 or a 30-60-90 triangle, and you won't need to use any trigonometry, or you won't even need to use the Pythagorean theorem. There's a few things you're going to want to set to memory so that you can understand what that is. So there'll be a SWYK on that. There'll be a homework assignment on that. Then a concluding video wrapping up everything this week, as well as a quiz as our assessment on MathXL. And then we'll wrap things up with a congratulatory video on final thoughts and moving into the next week. So good luck on this week, on this week's material, and I will see you at the end of the week.